Yeah, hey people, so this is this enclosure that I had got, that my child had really helped me in picking. And because instead of being in a cage all day, these days the weather is so erratic, so we can't even really leave these rabbits in the balcony. So in such a case, when it is here, this is good. So yeah, at least then they have space to this Tara is this girl, grey and white rabbit, can be very aggressive, you know.
If she's biting
She
her own
keeps
children.
she keeps nipping everyone. We'll have
Theodore nip Tara.
I think we'll have to get Tara fixed at a certain point.
See, good. Theodore's
Yeah.
fighting Tara.
No, he shouldn't.
See? Good job, Theodore.
See, all the remaining are sitting quietly. It's just crazy. What to do?
Should I just put them?
No. This cage has to be like this.
Theodore, no. Theodore.
It's just so
They
nice.
shook the door. Now I